The EV future is now. Are your students prepared? At Switch Labs, we have revolutionized electric vehicle workforce development training for education. With our unique program, educators gain knowledge and hands-on experience to confidently teach electric vehicle technology, bringing auto industry standards into the classroom. The Switch is designed with safety in mind. We provide educators with comprehensive training to ensure they respect EV safety protocols and are prepared to instill these practices in their students. As the U.S. EV market grows, the demand for skilled professionals rises. Switch Labs prepares educators to fill this gap, shaping the workforce of tomorrow. Our program equips educators to teach their students about cutting-edge technologies like lithium-ion batteries and motor programming, opening doors to future innovations and advancements. With the automotive industry undergoing a transition to electric vehicles, the demand for EV-trained workers is growing. Switch Labs empowers educators to bridge the gap between education and industry needs. Teachers are looking for new technologies to engage students in project-based learning that advances both hard and soft skills that fits into CTE and STEAM programs. Make the switch. Together, we can drive innovation, embrace sustainability, and create a brighter future for all.